Talaan-Dig people are one of the indigenous groups in Bukidnon. They are known for their strong culture, deep beliefs, and love for nature. Talaan-Dig people live close to nature. They plant crops like corn and rice. They also weave and make beautiful crafts from natural materials.
We work together to help our community.
We protect our land because it gives us food.
The Talaan-Dig believe in Magbabaya, the supreme creator. They believe that Magbabaya made the world and watches over them.
Pero naman tayo masagi mo ko di apo pangalawa ko na umina ka iman tagumahon da iman ikaw ta amin day talaba ko. Pero ako jabang ko iman na ini na di bang panduwa-duwa to mga dalo na. Pero kadua iman na maduwa-duwa ha umawa dyan sa kandan so espiritu amada.
The Talaan-Dig also believe that spirits live in nature. The forest, river, and mountains have spirit that must be respected.
We ask permission before taking anything from the forest. We don't harm nature because it is sacred.
The Talaan-Dig are known for their music and art. Their drums, dances, and soil paintings show their history and connection to nature.
Respect people, respect nature, live in peace.
Talaan-Dig elders teach the young to be brave, honest, and respectful.
Let us protect and respect indigenous cultures because they are part of our history and